Hey you. Today I'll show you how to download Plutonium in Black Ops 2 for free in 2023. Warning: torrenting copyright protected files might not be legal in your country. Even if you already own a valid license, we are not responsible for any legal issues and recommend you use a fresh install from Steam or a VPN. Point warning. Okay, the first step you need is to download Plutonium. I put the link down below. Then click it. Wait for finishing the download. Okay, now you can sign in or sign up. If you have account, sign in the username and password. If not, I show you how to sign up for the Plutonium. I put the link down below. Put your email address, then create username, then create your password. Then click I am not a robot. Then verify yourself. There you go, you create your account. You get a cookie. There's your profile account. Oh. You can add your friend gamer tag. You can add people if you click the green plus. Go back to your profile, copy the username. Now paste it your username and login. Now put your password you create. Now your full login, your Plutonium. Now we did all the step. Now install Black Ops 2. Warning: torrenting copyright protected files might not be legal in your country. Even if you already own a valid license, we are not responsible for any legal issues and recommend you use a fresh install from Steam or a VPN. Point warning. Now install qBittorrent. I put the link down below. Now I set it up the qBittorrent. Copy what I'm doing. Okay, don't exit out. Use a VPN. Now click on it and copy me. While I'm doing exactly this, copy me. Now go to you download and click it qBittorrent. Watch it. If your internet is bad, I have solution. Go to settings and copy me. Soon as finished over 100%, copy me. Okay, you can turn off your VPN if you want to. Now make sure your game files is in the right one. Yep, all good. Click setup. Now copy me what I'm doing. Make sure it is the right one. Then go ahead and fix your settings. There you go. Do the same thing in Black Ops 2 Zami. There you go, now you're finished. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.